Just like I said, as soon as I hit 3,000 subscribers, I was going to announce when the next giveaway is. Mark your calendars, April 2nd, next month, 8 p.m., or if you're watching this video in April, this month, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I will be holding a YouTube live event. We'll be giving away a Samsung Galaxy S9 and the Nintendo Switch. I have one of these. I play it all the time. I don't even know how to tell you how much fun this is. Look at it. It's the double color one. It's the one that everybody wants. Oh my God, For the Love of Tech is bringing this to you, and you're asking, why am I giving this stuff away? To show my appreciation for everything you guys have done for me. I said, I was at 2,600 subscribers. Maybe 27. I needed 3,000. Boom! Now I got the count right here. 3,272. Am I gonna hit 3,500 subscribers by April 2nd? If I hit 3,500 subscribers by April 2nd, I'm gonna do something a little bit extra. I'm going to do something a lot extra if we hit 3,500 by April 2nd. In between then and now, watch the content, share the content, like the content, comment on the content. The more times you participate in the videos, the more entries you're going to get. And if you know what I'm talking about, let me get a Roman numerals 812 in the comments, and leave a comment about what else you would like to see in the upcoming giveaway on April 2nd. Pretty simple. Roman numerals 812 and leave me your comment. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. In addition to that, you can go back and watch any of my older videos from my last giveaway up until now and look for hints and clues on how to gain additional entries into the giveaway. For the love of tech, thank you. Namaste.